Okay, so good evening everyone. Good evening to all the students of class 11th. So today we'll be trying something little different and instead of me teaching live on the class, I'll first give the concepts and you can watch the videos and after that we in the class time we'll discuss more जो भी आपका doubts and all these things. So let us see how it goes. ठीक है. So the first topic today we'll study is basically force can change the state of motion. Right. So whenever there is a force applied on any body, it changes its state of motion. Just like this chalk which I have in my hand. When I apply force on this chalk on the upward direction, the velocity of the chalk changes. And if I bring the chalk downwards, then the velocity of chalk again changes. It comes down. Right. Similarly, if you walk on the road, so then what happens? You have to apply some force on the ground, and that's how your velocity changes towards some direction. So in the last class we saw how the forces can change the motion of the particle or motion of any body. Right. So what does this change in motion exactly mean? This means that the change in state of motion means it changes the velocity of the particle or the body. Right. So on any body if you apply any force, so it can change the state of motion means it can change the velocity of the particle. Achha. So we know that whenever you apply force to a body, so that force can cause acceleration. Right? So this force can cause acceleration. Right. So basically what does acceleration mean? Acceleration means that there is again change in the velocity of the vector. Velocity of the body. So if body is at rest, then it will start to move. अगर उससे force लगेगा. And if the body is moving, you can stop it by applying force. तो आप velocity को जब भी change कर सकते हैं. That time you have to apply force. Right. So in the first chapter we studied kinematics and projectile motion. In those chapters we studied that how this change in velocity happens. We saw that projectile motion we saw and all the different motions we saw. We saw only the equation of kinematics in which the velocity was changing, free fall or some car is accelerating or a projectile is thrown. So all these cases the velocity was changing, but we never saw why the velocity changed. Right? We only saw what happens when the velocity changes. Right? So this velocity of a particle changes only when there is a force applied. जब भी उस पर कुछ force होता है तभी velocity change होता है body. ठीक है? तो ये important point है. So basically हमारा जो force है, it can change the state of the motion. अगर body rest पे है तो उसको motion में कर सकता है, अगर motion में तो rest पे कर सकता है. ठीक है? तो ये basic चीज़ होता है हमारा. ठीक? Okay. So let me take some basic examples. First example I'll take is of a block. Suppose you have a black block here which is moving towards the right with velocity v. ठीक है? So the block ऐसे move कर रहा है right side. ठीक है? So the block is moving towards the right with velocity v. Okay. And now you apply a force on this block in the same direction as the velocity. So ये same direction में आप एक force लगा रहे हैं. ठीक है? So क्या होगा? Naturally आप सोच सकते हो एक block पे रखा है and block को धक्का दे रहे हैं इसे. You are trying to push this block. So what will happen? So naturally if you see carefully, the velocity, magnitude of velocity will increase. Right? So जो हमारा velocity का magnitude है, it will increase slowly. है ना? यही होगा. So और fast होगा, फिर और fast होगा, and it will start to move faster and faster if you keep applying this force. ठीक है? So in this case the force has changed the state of motion. That means उसने velocity का magnitude बढ़ा दिया ये force ने. तो force is changing the state of motion. ठीक है? ज़्यादा fast हो गई. Okay. Now second thing is suppose a force is applied like this. The particle is moving towards the right and now the force is acting in a perpendicular direction to the velocity. This is 90 degree. So the particle is trying to move towards the right, but force is applied in the downward direction. ठीक है. So इस केस में क्या होगा? If you see carefully, जो velocity का magnitude है, थोड़ा सोच सकते क्या होगा इस केस में? Velocity का डायरेक्शन नहीं है, but force ऐसे लग रहा है. So what happens in this case? In this case, what happens? The particle will start to bend, and it will start to change its trajectory. Earlier it was going like this towards the right, but now it will start to change its trajectory and it will bend. ठीक है? So in this second case, what happens? The velocity's magnitude remains constant, but the direction of velocity changes. Okay. Yes, sir. So depending on the force, depending on the mass of the body, if the mass of the body is more, then it will take little more time to change its trajectory because inertia is more. And if the mass of the body is less, then it will quickly bend. Right. So these are the two effects which the force can have. It can either change the magnitude of the velocity or it can change the direction of the velocity. Right. So ये चीज हो गया. Now let me take a general example which will clarify all the topics. So suppose you have a x and y axis, with x axis and y axis. ठीक है. And the velocity of the particle is pointing towards like this. Velocity is pointing like this at an angle theta with the x axis. That means the particle is moving along this direction like this. Okay. ऐसे particle move कर रहा है. And suppose you apply a force along the x axis. तो एक force हमने ऐसे लगा दिया x axis के अलावा. ठीक है. So if you carefully see, this force is neither along the velocity, neither it is perpendicular to velocity. ये दो केस हमने डिस्कस किया. This force is not directly like that. है ना? समझ में आ रहा है? So now what we can do? We can take the components of this force. ठीक है? One component of this force will be along the velocity. And another component will be perpendicular to velocity. ठीक है? So this angle is theta. This will also be theta. So this can be written as f cos theta. This component of force is f cos theta. This component of force is f sin theta. Right? This can be written as actually force in perpendicular direction, and this is force in direction parallel to the velocity. ये दो टर्म भी बहुत important. This force is perpendicular to velocity and this force is parallel to the velocity. ठीक है? So now the conclusion is the force which is parallel to velocity, this force will change the magnitude of velocity. And if the force is perpendicular, it will change the direction of velocity. ये perpendicular है velocity का, so it changes the direction of velocity. ठीक है? समझ में आ गया? So this is the first subtopic, that force can change the state of motion. ठीक है? So as soon as you watch this video, इसी पहले इस topic का नोट बनाना पड़ा अच्छे से. Then you can watch the next part. ठीक है? चलो. Thank you very much. Thank you.